Hey guys, welcome to Rolling Homestead, and today we are going to check on the new baby chicks, so stick around. Alright guys, I'm going to show you my spot that I keep all the new chicks that come in. We'll keep them in here for about a month and a half, and then they'll go out to the coop. So we have 12 Red Rangers, we have 3 Brahmas, they're Light Brahmas, and we have 3 of the Jersey Giants. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to kind of show you what I've done to make this. It's an old critter cage that we used to have. It works really good for the baby chicks. So I actually have the 2 lights here. I got one here and I got one here, and actually right now with one light we're running right around 92-93 degrees. We'll open it up and see. And then I have an exhaust fan kind of hooked up in the back just for air movement. And then we have the flaps on here, so if it gets too hot that they can breathe. Well, let's see how these little guys are doing. I see you're making a mess. So there they are. Put them in water. Yeah. So we'll keep them in here for about a month and a half. Look at that. You got the cat watching too. You see the Brahmas are already starting to get the feathers on their feet there. Some of the grayer fluff ball was this big guy coming up over here. That's a big gal right here by the feeder. So I can see right now that the Red Rangers is pretty active. So is a cat. Make sure you don't jump off. Now these guys are just a couple days old. One of the things, guys, you make sure your birds are happy like this, and because they're not with their mother, you gotta make sure that they don't have poopy butt. They're not. Their vent isn't covered, because in natural life their mom would clean that for them. So as with your taking care of your chicks, you gotta do that. But these guys look pretty active, pretty happy. So we'll give you guys updates. See, like this one here, that's what you're looking for. So I gotta come down here and I gotta clean him up. Make sure that doesn't stick. There's another one there, so we'll get him to take care of that. All you do is get some nice warm water and a washcloth, and you slowly and carefully wipe it off, and you want to catch it before it gets all crusty, because then you're going to pull out their butt feathers and they become very unhappy. And for a healthy chicken or a healthy chick, the less stress they have and the better off you are of keeping that chick. So let them cruise around. But that's all it is. It's all insulated on the outside here, all the way around. And of course I got the vents and a fan in there. So that is my setup for my baby chicks. And like I said, they'll stay down here probably for a month, month and a half. And then we have another smaller coop outside that's insulated and everything like that, that we can hang the lights, and they'll get put in there until they're ready to go out in the pen. And I will put a link up to the meat pen that I built with portable chicken coop for them, and that'll be just for the meat birds. So you guys, if you guys want to watch that, here this video is. This is what I did out there for that. Alright guys, so this is going to be the new area for the meat birds. So this is what it looks like. So they have a huge area, and I will be putting a tarp on there on half of it, but that is where my meat birds are going to be. So once they're old enough and they can come out of there, they will go into that little area. So there that is. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. We will keep the new baby chick update coming all the time here. And you guys take care. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. And please hit the like button down below. Give me a thumbs up. It's great. And don't forget, hit the bell. It tells you when we have new videos. So we'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care. God bless.